Hi friends, show me. I read the house plant. Ke tlo reka di gopola go na le life nkile ka etsa ke unboxa this little nice things tsa ko temo. These things ke le ko temo show me. Ga ke tsone le kae unboxing e teng somewhere mo di live streaming. Ke tlo jala di house plant. Ke tlo jala di house plant show. Fana re na le potting soil le compost in here 70-30, don't forget. And then kafa ke na le cocoa soil yone ke le tse dina la yone mari ke mo olo wa di cocos what yeah. And then fana re na le matlapa a tlo khebisang tsona yone la matlapa tshone. We are learning this thing together. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. This is my workstation today. So this is my workstation today. We are working from the shade because it's so hot. Oh, the plants that I want to take to the house, to the bedrooms, everywhere in the house. We have snake plant. So this is a seedling thing. And then snake plant, money plant. This is money plant. This is another form of money plant. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 small one. And then it's a rosemary. I want to plant rosemary in the house because rosemary smells so nice. So I want her to be in the house. And then I have this somewhere in the corner of my house, but I want this plant to go inside the house because this is elephant ears. I just need to clean it, the olive oil and water, but it's soaking in the water because I want everything from the soil from outside to so I'm cleaning the roots, but they are going inside those things. I told you I don't know what I'm doing. Did I tell you? For Elena, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. But we are doing it together. For me, did I tell you I don't know what I'm doing? Lena, I don't know what I'm doing, but we do. Yes, we are do together. I don't know what I'm doing. Enjoy a video, show me. Enjoy it. Let me do the whole limit. Enjoy let me show. So this thing literally there's strings. Then you just you put them inside like so. This is a messy business, I'm telling you. A messy business. We have a new plant from this root. It can grow at any time. Simple as that. Once you add this in there, that's all. Banana. So cocoa grow break just in case you want to buy it. Looks like this. So guys, isn't a gele with the sale ke edit this video e be ke sa e fetse. So maloma ara editing ke you see. So we have how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6, that lady there, and then the other ones I just fixed them. I trimmed this one because the thing in nefedile one, so there we have new leaves, and then more thing, and then I did the roots stimulation situation sheep, and I trimming and afford demo one same thing. So this one it was inside one of the old pots, and then we get into this pot. I'm waiting for it for air. We get trimmer these things. I want so game for air zanga, because wow. So mere kwa rona ke yo, yeah, it is re berekile wa bona. So everything ready, hanze ke abe fela where they supposed to be, and it's hot. It's hot. It's the 20, I don't know, 21st or 22nd, not sure, but it's hot. The butterflies are out, the bees are out, the sun is out, the birds are flying. Busy. It's very nice out here. I need to do a garden tour for this month, for this week actually, because we have the seedlings that we planted on last week when we had red moon. Remember we had red moon, and I told you we're planting seeds when we have a full and whatever eclipse or whatever, we plant the seeds. This week we are having another eclipse. It's the one that it's putting us inside New Year. This is a African New Year. So African New Year, every eclipse, every full moon we plant something. I get every full moon we planting something. Don't forget, full moon you plant something. If you don't know how to manifest with your words, you don't know how to, words of affirmations and stuff like that, the easy way is for you to plant something, or you buy a plant and then that's how you can start. So I need to do a garden tour because we have a lot of food. We have a lot of growth in this garden. I can't keep up. I'm trying to do house plants. I'm trying to do garden. Who busy? Who busy? It's a lot of food, a lot of plants, a lot of everything, and it's school holidays. So hey, who busy? Who busy? Wena, who busy? So thank you for watching. Ke re go tswa go nna monyana mo Motswana go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Mahleng. Ke re tuere. Bye guys.